Hey, welcome to our PCBA source factory. The competition in the electronics manufacturing industry is becoming increasingly fierce, and many customers are opting for China-made circuit boards to reduce costs and enhance competitiveness. PCB manufacturing and SMT assembly rely on raw materials as their foundation. Every single component must be carefully selected from reliable suppliers. Quality is absolutely non-negotiable. The chosen components are transported by dedicated material handling vehicles to the SMT assembly workshop, officially entering the production process. From here, they embark on their critical journey toward becoming finished PCBA products. In the PCBA production process, SMT placement is a top priority. We equip high-speed pick and place machines to achieve efficient and precise component mounting. Automated optical inspection is also employed for comprehensive quality checks, ensuring every step meets strict standards. When it comes to wave soldering, parameters like temperature and speed are precisely controlled to securely weld components and PCB boards together, providing a safety lock for electrical connections. After soldering, our experienced technicians conduct visual inspections on the PCBA. They quickly scan each board to identify any obvious defects, leaving no problematic units unchecked. For hidden internal issues, invisible to the naked eye, X-ray inspection comes into play. This equipment acts like a CT scan for PCB boards, exposing even the most concealed defects, such as cold solder joints or short circuits, no matter how subtle they may be. During functional testing, we develop customized test plans based on product specifications. By thoroughly examining the performance of each PCB, we ensure that every unit delivered read to customers operates street-ably and is ready for seamless integration. Once tested and approved, the PCBA units are carefully packaged, labeled with detailed information, and registered for identification before being prepared for shipment to destinations across the EU. From raw material intake to finished product delivery, we maintain strict quality control at every step. We look forward to collaborating with you to create even more excellence in the world of electronics manufacturing.